The lease purchase program at US Express is intriguing for those aiming to balance the trucker's life with ownership aspirations. Unlike conventional leases, it offers the path to eventual ownership. Imagine driving your own rig. It's a dream for some folks. What makes US Express's lease purchase program stand out? Well, think zero down payment and credit check. Yes, that's right. For many drivers, the credit score requirements are a huge barrier. This removes that hurdle altogether. No credit hoops to jump through. The mileage rate is a game changer too. Drivers can enjoy upwards to $1.02 per mile. It's a solid earning scheme. Being a rookie might feel financially daunting, and this rate definitely alleviates a chunk of stress off your shoulders. Maintenance is a major concern with any lease. Luckily, US Express offers a maintenance program to keep those unexpected expenses in check. Who hasn't worried about a breakdown costing big bucks? That can now be a bit less worrisome. Of course, this path isn't without challenges. The main pain point, consistent loads. Let's face it, downtime means no income, which can unsettle the budgeting. Always make sure to have the latest dispatch information to optimize your mileage. Escaping the 9 to 5 is a huge appeal of truck driving, but it's not all scenic routes. And the reality check, long, exhausting hours and being away from loved ones can hit you hard unless you're ready for that lifestyle shift. Pro tip, maintain good relationships with your fleet manager. It's mutually beneficial. They want you working efficiently just as much as you do. Respect and communication streamline problem solving and can often lead to better loads. Another crucial point is to stay updated with your paperwork. Permits, insurance, and logs. Falling behind here can lead to unwanted fines or suspensions, interrupting your driving schedule. Organizational skills can indeed save the day. Let's discuss health on the road. Eating right and staying fit while driving is notorious for being difficult. Stop often, stretch a bit, stash some healthy snacks on board. Your future self will thank you for not being sedentary too much. Depreciation is a bummer in this business. Trucks lose value quickly, and by the end of a lease, the worth might not match the purchase option price. Calculate depreciation meticulously before signing up for the purchase plan. Be realistic. This is a top industry, but for many, the freedom and potential profitability outweigh the hurdles. If you manage well, balancing between loads, maintenance, and personal life, it can be quite rewarding. As a Portland guy, I think if you enjoy seeing diverse landscapes while working, the open road won't disappoint. Think of the amazing sights from the Rockies to those broad, open plains. It's a unique motivator if you love travel.